So we're here again, the first soccer kid. We're gonna go to FIFA Ultimate Team 2012. Let's see what we get. We're gonna buy a map pack. We only got 15,000 coins. This is our sexy ass team. Hey, psych! This is not our team. This is just a team to play. The sucky ass team, all sober. Not that bad. And this is the team that we're trying to make. But we wanna see our informs. Not that good of an inform team, but it's kind of good. We haven't played it anyways. So yeah, we're gonna buy a map pack right now. Let's see who the hell do we get. Please tell me somebody good, because I don't want to spend my coins for nothing. Oh, please, good luck, please. Oh my titties if I don't get an inform. Oh no, we got horrible people. Shit. At least we got Roberto. That's not even Roberto Carlos. That's a escape. Yo. They ruined me. They played me right there. Now we got Tony. Who the hell is Tony? I got no idea. We got food. What the hell is this? What is wrong with this FIFA?
Yeah,
what is wrong with EA? Yo, that shit played me. I thought it was Roberto Carlos. I thought it was Roberto Carlos, man. No lie.
Hey, shit.
Now we got a 4-4-1-1 manager. We need it because we're playing the possession. We got Swassa, Beast, Fast Dude. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That was a waste of money. Out of worthless. No, we got the goalie that we're gonna get in. Inform. And yeah, waste of money. I wanna sell him for the much.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Please subscribe, like, and comment, and everything else.